Welcome to you all. In this video we have to know about how to add or remove email IDs from an existing mailing list in Web Host Manager. Introduction. Keeping your mailing list accurate and up-to-date is essential for effective communication. Whether you need to add new subscribers or remove outdated email addresses, managing your mailing list ensures your messages reach the right recipient. Prerequisites: Web Host Manager access, root or reseller access to Web Host Manager. Existing mailing list. A mailing list already created in Web Host Manager, see panel. Email IDs, the email addresses you want to add or remove. Step 1. Log into Web Host Manager. Open your browser and go to the given hyperlink. Enter your Web Host Manager root or reseller credentials. Step 2. Access mailing lists. In the Web Host Manager search bar, type mailing lists. Click on mailing lists under the email section. Step 3. Manage the mailing list. Click on Manage on the mailing list you want to modify. You will be redirected to the Mailman interface for that list. Step 4. Add email IDs. Go to Mass Subscription section. Enter the email IDs you want to add. Enter one address per line below. Click Submit your changes to include them in the list. Step 5. Remove email IDs. In the mass removal, enter the email IDs you want to remove. Click Submit your changes to remove them from the list. Step 6. Verify changes. After adding or removing emails, check the List Members section to confirm that the updates have been applied successfully. Conclusion. Maintaining an accurate mailing list is key to effective communication. With Web Host Manager, you can quickly add new subscribers or remove unwanted email addresses, keeping your mailing list clean, efficient, and up to date. Thank you for your listening. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. This helps you to how to add or remove email IDs from an existing mailing list in Web Host Manager.